You are having a great holiday today. Today we just took a few minutes so that we can talk about Bright Green Corporation. And as you guys can see on Friday's trading, the stock actually went up 5.71% during normal trading hours and closed the regular trading hours at $2.59. In the after hours, it went up a further 1.16%, closing the week at $2.62. Now, if you look at the previous close, that would be on Thursday, Bright Green Corporation closed at $2.45. Then it opened a bit lower on Friday at $2.40. And then during Friday's trading, it went as high as $2.64 before dropping down to $2.59 at the close of at the closing bell. After hours, of course, it went up 1.16% to close the week at $2.62. Volume on Friday wasn't very great. It was just 664,000 compared to the 2.8 million average that you would see on a typical day. Now, if you look at the 52-week range, you would see that Bright Green Corporation has traded anywhere from $2.16 all the way up to $58. And if you look at the 5-day graph, you can see that it is definitely on an upward trajectory. The stock hasn't been on the market too long. It was listed initially on the 17th of May. And Bright Green Corporation, what they do is they grow, harvest, and process cannabis for medicinal use and also for research purposes. And they are supposedly they have a green light from the federal government and the state of Florida. Furthermore, it is said that they have a license to export cannabis for research purposes, not for medicinal use, not for recreational use, but for research purposes. So it's a company that is very well positioned. And I think that if anything, if you are looking at cannabis stocks, this might be a company that might be worth a second look. But the only thing that is not very clear with Bright Green Corporation right now is that we really don't have any insight as to their operations, how large the operation is. I've looked, but I just can't find any conclusive PR or information that can give me a sense of the scope of their operations right now. But it looks like the stock is making a comeback and slowly climbing. And so I don't know how long this is going to continue. I don't know if we bottomed out already, but if you can look, the graph speaks for itself. For the past 5 days, the stock has definitely been making some gains. It started the week at about $2.33, dropped a little bit, and then went as high as $2.80, dropped down some more, but closed the week higher than it began. So the trend and momentum tells me that the stock is slowly rising. And the thing with stocks like this is that they might rise very slowly under the radar. And by the time you see that it's a stock that's heading to the moon, it's already a bandwagon, and that's when people are actually jumping off and taking home some returns on their investment. But that's quite impressive. A stock that just not so long ago was trading at $58, and you can now purchase it for $2.62. We will see how what the market do tomorrow. It's been a long weekend. People are full of anticipation. The Feds just came out and tightened up the availability of liquidity by raising interest rates 75 basis points, and that will really send a shockwave through the markets, because since 1994 we haven't seen the Feds the Federal Reserve Bank raise interest rates that much. So we will see how the markets react when the markets open tomorrow, the 21st of June, which would also be summer solstice, the first day of summer. So I just want to wish you guys a very nice, peaceful, and restful day today. And tomorrow we will be back again on the market to see what is happening. Cryptocurrencies, they seem to be rebounding. I don't know if they bottomed out yet. So everything seems to be pointing towards a slow recovery, but I just don't know yet until we see what the markets do tomorrow, because at times the markets, they don't follow any kind of logic. They do their own thing. So we will be watching closely. Just want to thank you for your time. We're getting about 2 subscribers a day, 1 to 2 subscribers a day, which is great. It's taking us slowly towards our goal of 1,000 subscribers, which we hope to attain by the midterms in November. If you haven't done so yet, please do consider subscribing to the channel and helping us get closer to our goal. Thank you for your time. And if you do have any more information about Bright Green Corporation, their operations, nothing that's proprietary, things that you feel that you can publicly share, please do so in the comment section below. We would be more than happy to have some more insight, or if you could point us in the right direction where we can get some more information about the company, that will help us a lot. So we do appreciate any input from you guys who are watching, and that helps us keep everybody informed, and that way we can make more informed decisions about our investment strategy. Thank you for your time, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.